Hey everyone, Eli here with the Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this aluminum alloy step ladder. As you can see, it's this beautiful aluminum alloy color. Opening it up here, you can see just how stable it is. It also has this nice grip right here for when you're stepping on it. It is also very lightweight, only around 8 pounds, and it holds up to 330 pounds. It is also quite durable. So as you can see, it just folds up flat so you can store it very easily in a closet, and then you can go ahead, open it up, and you simply step on it like so, and you can really get some good height with this thing. So yeah, it's beautiful. You can really just store it off to the side if you wanted to. It looks that nice. So I highly recommend that you get this step ladder for any of your needs. If you need to reach anything, it's super easy to fold out and it doesn't take up much room. Again, super lightweight. Highly recommend it. It's high quality. Thanks for watching.